The truth is that the more you chase something, the more it slips away, and wealth works the same way. Effortless abundance comes when you stop forcing and start tuning into the right frequency, the one that aligns you with the flow of money already waiting for you. Hi, I'm Andrea, and stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start attracting money without lifting a finger. I'm going to show you exactly how to shift into that effortless flow of money and abundance. If you are ready to shift your mindset, let the universe know and type in the comments, I am ready. And be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more ways to attract anything you desire. But let's get back to what is important to you. Money could come effortlessly without even trying. No investment, not even a real action in the physical world. Sounds too good to be true? It isn't about working harder or hustling. This is about aligning with the natural flow of wealth that's already available to you. For so long, we've been told that wealth only comes through hard work and effort. First, you need to learn, have a good education in order to get a good job, and this might be the way of doing things as well. But did you know that the real key to attracting wealth has nothing to do with how hard you work and everything to do with how you align your thoughts and energy? The truth is, the harder you chase something, the more it fades away. Effortless wealth is about tuning into the right frequency, the frequency of abundance, aligning yourself with the flow of abundance that is around you. Think of it like tuning a radio. You don't force the signal, you simply find the right frequency. And when your thoughts and feelings and energy match the vibration of wealth, money begins to flow to you. And it feels easy because you don't force anything. You're allowing. It's about shifting your focus from lack to abundance and letting wealth naturally come your way. Now let's get into something crucial because observing and redirecting your thoughts, it is really important step when it comes to allowing abundance. This is where most people get stuck because it's not easy to just flip the switch and feel abundant when you're facing real financial problems. But the truth is, everything begins with your thoughts. And here is how you can start observing them. Awareness of your thoughts. Throughout the day, take a few moments to pause and notice your thoughts. What's running through your mind about money? Are you focused on the lack? Or are you worrying about the bills? Or are you expecting abundance, feeling grateful for what you already have? How do you feel? Your emotions are a direct reflection of your thoughts. If you feel anxious or stressed, chances are that you've been focusing on what's not working. And when you catch yourself in that state, don't fight it and acknowledge it, and then gently redirect your thoughts to something that feels better. Use the I can say it better technique. When a negative or limiting thought comes up, like I don't have enough money, just stop and say it better. You try to take it from a positive perspective, and try to say something like, I am open to money coming to me in unexpected ways, or I allow money in my life. I love money. It feels satisfying to have money. And even if it feels unnatural at first, the more you do this, the easier it becomes to shift your mindset into a flow of abundance. And as soon as you become aware of your thoughts, the next step is alignment. You align with wealth by choosing thoughts that feel good. Start by imagining what it feels like to have more than enough money. Picture your bank account full. See yourself paying bills with ease, and feel the excitement of money flowing to you. The key is to live in the feeling of abundance now, not in some distant future or not the way you used to. And this takes practice. Appreciation practice. Every day, list 5 things that you appreciate, specifically about money or abundance, but if it feels hard, it can be other topics as well. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to appreciation. Visualization. Visualize yourself in the situation where money flows effortlessly. Imagine the details and how it looks, how it feels, and even how people respond to you. The more vivid, the better. Positive money affirmations. Use affirmations, but only when you are in a positive place. Because if you feel uneasy about money, affirmations will only make you feel uncomfortable. So use affirmations like, money flows to me effortlessly, or I am a magnet for wealth. One affirmation that I particularly love is that I have more money than I can spend. But remember, it's not about just repeating them. It's about feeling the truth of them in your body as you say them. When you feel it, you align with it. One of the biggest blocks to manifesting wealth is trying to control how it comes. The more you try to force it, the more resistance you create. The secret is to let go of the how and trust that the universe is taking care of it. When you feel yourself getting anxious about money, remind yourself everything is working out for me and I trust the process. Let go of the need to know every detail and allow things to unfold. Trust me, the more you let go, the more money flows. Here's an exercise that you can do right now to get into the flow of wealth easily. Find a quiet space and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Visualize yourself in a state of abundance. Picture money flowing to you in surprising, unexpected ways. Maybe a promotion, a new client, or even a gift. Focus on how that feels in your body. Do you feel light, happy, excited? And hold on to that feeling for a few minutes and let it expand. Then release it. Trust that the universe will handle the rest. It's not your job to figure out how money comes to you. Just feel abundant. Now, the more you practice this, the easier it becomes to attract wealth without effort. It's about staying in the flow and letting go of the resistance. You have the power to attract wealth without effort. The secret isn't in working harder, it's in aligning with the energy of abundance. If you found this video helpful, please share and comment below with "I am ready" to let the universe know you're ready for effortless money. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to manifest the life you want. Thank you for joining me.